Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sid, and today's video is a pack with me for NTS camp. Things I wish I knew and things I would actually change from last year's video. Actually, I made a couple of pointers from last year that I actually would switch from last year because I packed way too much, which was nice when I was there, but packing it all was crazy. So yeah, toiletries and towels, yes, bring those. They do not have those for you. It is not like a hotel that everything's there. You gotta bring it all. So don't expect towels there for you or toiletry stuff. You gotta bring that. And then a modest swimsuit. And I made the list that they sent. And then sleeping bag and pillow. I would actually say do bedding if you're gonna have a suitcase. If you're not gonna have a suitcase, bring a sleeping bag and pillow. But if you know you're gonna have a suitcase that you can fit it in, then I would say bring bedding. I always bring bedding, which has been nice, but I always bring a suitcase. I always bring a large suitcase. The suitcases, I would say bring the largest one, because if you have to bring your bedding, you're gonna have to fit that all in. You can't bring extra bags, or you can, it's just you have to carry it all. Bible and pen, just bring your own Bible and pen. If you do somehow forget that, I'm sure your leader will have maybe an extra. I can't speak for all of them, but I know with my church, they sometimes have that. Sunglasses. Don't bring your nicest pair. Bring ones that if they break, you're not attached to. Like I'm bringing some that I have that I've worn for like football games and all that, just so I know that it's not gonna break. I mean, it could, but I don't want to be bringing my very nice ones. And then sunscreen. Yeah, that's on you. Don't expect your leader to have that for you. Water bottle. Please bring your water bottle. Here, let me quick pause the video and I'll show you what I'm bringing. For me, I am bringing either 2 or 1. I think I'm just gonna go with this just so I don't have to keep track. I'm bringing this water bottle that I got last year. I actually was waiting to use this. I actually had a different water bottle, but that one broke. But after cabin leading, I learned that you gotta bring a lot of water. And then maybe for like my dorm, I might bring this one. But like, don't carry this one out because it might get stolen. But then this one, if I see someone walking with this, I'm gonna be able to know if they took it. So I would say bring one like that, you know, you can say that one's my water bottle. But like with the Stanley, anyone can be like, oh, that one's mine. So I'd say bring more like a big one. I think that you'd use for like athletic sport. Just bring that water bottle because then you know it's yours. And write your name on it. Put some type of like mark or something that says it's yours. Like I'm literally gonna put on the bottom this LR, like Lydia Rose, just so I know this one's mine, which I doubt anyone else will have this, so I'm not too worried. Let's talk team comps. So there are 4 colors. There's blue, gold, red, and green. You gotta wear your color. So my church that's going, we are blue crew. So I find every last thing in my closet and go thrifting for all blue stuff. And order some stuff sometimes. So wear all of them. Go crazy. I mean, wearing shirts, shorts, skirts, socks, shoes, wigs, etc. Go crazy. I mean, I can't be saying that. Fine, I can go that crazy. But I'm gonna go as crazy as I can. But make sure like that they're comfy and like you're not like, I want to take this off right now, I'm uncomfortable. And note to self, there will be a photographer and a videographer. So make sure that like that if you wear anything, you'll wanna look back and be like, oh yeah, I wore that, not like, yep, I wore that. You're gonna wanna be able to remember those pictures and make sure that it would be something that your parents would be like, oh, that's such a great picture, not like, what are you wearing? I'm saying, it's happened. Not to me, but it's happened. Yeah, because teenagers like to bring stuff, thinking that the videographer or camera person's not taking a picture. I swear, they're like there 24/7. I never know what they're gonna be. And then, wear clothes that you can get messy. I think of it more like if you're gonna play soccer, volleyball, gaga ball, you know, any of those games, have something that you don't mind getting a stain in or sweating in. Yeah. Also bring clothes that you're not gonna wear for team comps or anything like that you're gonna sweat in, just so you have some clothes, because there's no wash because you're there for a week. So make sure that you have the clothes set aside just for after you take a shower, after you, I don't know, play team comp games, that you have something put to the side so that you don't stink up the room. Oh, please take showers, please. I really don't want to be sitting by someone doing a meal and they're stinky. Please don't do that. Club NTS theme is neon, which I actually am really excited. I think it helps that I've been to football games, basketball games, those events that already have neon, so I already am all set. Just go crazy with that. I'm already bringing neon glow in the dark nail polish. Well, I'm gonna have it on, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna bring all neon clothes. Just go crazy. I'm so excited about this. Yeah. Also with that, they don't tell you, but there's a little bit of a dress code. Just keep it the same like the other stuff. Like keep it the same dress code, because they will send you back to your room. I may have witnessed some people getting sent back to rooms. Yeah. Also, bring money for meals there and back. So that's like if your bus is stopping at a McDonald's, they're not providing that for you. You gotta bring your own money. And then on the way back, some churches might have, they might have this for you. It just depends on your church. They might say, we'll provide pizza on the way back, so they'll buy a bunch of pizzas and you guys eat on the bus. It kind of depends on your church. Our church, we're going down and grab McDonald's, and on the way back, we're having pizza. And then snacks and beverages at camp. I would actually say with that, I should have added this last year. Bring, if you can, buy snacks in advance. Sometimes at college they make the price a little more, just because normally that's like for college students. So just keep that in mind. And then NTS apparel. So if you want to get merchandise from there, I would say maybe save money for that. And then what not to bring, it's just the usual, no fireworks, vape stuff. You know what it is. Oh, okay, this one you actually might want to know. No glitter, paint, face or body paint, portable speakers, silly string, water balloons, shaving cream, or anything. Yeah. So I don't remember that rule actually being there last year. Must have had a problem at a different one, because they have different weeks. Because I mean, we had some like paint we used, but we were controlled. Not controlled, but like we were able to use it. That's supposed to be used. Okay, a couple of things I wish I had added last year, or I did, but I really want to emphasize it. One is probably a journal. I really enjoyed using this. I call this my camp journal. It was really nice because I was able to take some notes and doodle when I needed to. Or like if I met some people, I was able to put like, because we weren't allowed to have phones, which I'm going to add on to that in a second. Like people's numbers, I'm not going to show them. There's nothing, phones. If you're allowed to bring your phone, you have to bring your own charger and you cannot lose it. Same with cameras, GoPros, Polaroids. If you bring any of that, you have to provide all the tech stuff. No one's gonna have that. Like when I bring this camera, I gotta bring all the camera stuff. Yeah, but it was fun though. I'm just glad I had it. Another thing too is, since there's wood in the dorms, it's not carpeted, I had to bring slippers, because when you first wake up, the floors are really cold. I brought slippers last year, which was nice. I would say bring a few extra bags in case like you get some merchandise or you can't bring it all home, which you will be able to, but if you have an extra bag, that'll be nice. Make sure you label all the stuff that's yours, or put like a little fabric that says it's yours so people know. Like again, my water bottle, I'm actually going to put like like a string or something that I know it's mine, but it's very obvious. And then probably bring sweatshirts. That's something, which is nice because like they AC everything, which is really nice. But sometimes people forget to bring sweatshirts. Like every time the morning session or evening, I had a sweatshirt on. And bring leggings too. It gets cold in the evenings. You're gonna want that. Oh, and bring your wallet if you need to. Yeah, it was kind of nice to have my wallet there, not to have to do all the extra stuff. So I'm trying to go off memory of what else. I already touched off about having your own snacks. That is a key one, I would say, is having snacks for yourself so you can have some stuff when you're on downtime in your dorm. Also, bring any blankets that you will want. Remember, it is summer, so it's gonna be a little more hotter, but you will have AC, which is nice, but it's gonna still be hot. Sorry. It's gonna be cold. Yeah, just pack what you think you would need for bed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!